Hello, class. This is a quick homework check from page 49 of Reading Explorer. We are working in Unit 3A, and you'll remember from our online class that we discussed cause and effect. We looked at some situations where we had a certain condition, and we want to identify how that condition causes a particular result. We call the result the effect. And together, this represents the cause and effect pattern. We can see a pattern, a cause and effect pattern in a paragraph, or we can see it within a few sentences, or even inside one sentence. Here, we looked at some complex sentences in our class, and we identified the causes of the situation. And you notice that the causes typically follow one of these cue words, such as due to, because, if, as a result, or consequently. Sometimes, however, we don't have a cue word. For example, in these three sentences, we discussed that sentence 1 and sentence 2 presented the cause, and the third sentence described the effect. You worked on page 49 for your homework. And so at this time, I'd like to quickly go over these sentences, and let's underline the cause that creates the particular effect in each sentence. So here I will mark these with a red pen. We start off with sentence number 1. I did not go to the doctor because I forgot about the appointment. Here we see the cause. The result was I did not go to the doctor. Number 2, the medicine in our cabinet was old. The medicine was old. This is the cause. What happens because the medicine is old? We throw it away. Number 3, the reason I didn't go to school was that I had a stomach ache. So, I had a stomach ache. I was sick. This is the cause, and the result or effect is I did not go to school. Number 4, due to new health guidelines, all food will be removed from the refrigerator on the weekends. And finally, number 5, investigators believe improper hand washing caused the disease outbreak at school. We see that there was a problem with a disease outbreak at school, and the cause was the improper hand washing. That was the situation that created that illness. So I hope that these sentences give you a little bit more insight into locating cause and effect inside a single sentence. We'll practice more with paragraphs and finding cause and effect relationships inside paragraphs. With a little more practice, you'll find that this is a very easy skill to acquire as you become a stronger reader.